welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paris. So pretty much in this video I was doing my hair for my birthday. I had plans to go out and everything, dress up, go out, but as you know, September 27th, Hurricane Helene hit pretty much the southeast, and that put a damper on plans. So I didn't get to do anything because everything was obviously shut down, closed, damaged, destroyed from Hurricane Helene. But gracefully and thankfully, no one lost their lives in my family. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any future videos.
Feng shui, get up my own way. Still hear this noise all around. Still building up, it's so loud. Baby, could you turn it way down and give me a groove like you used to? Put me in the mood like I used to. Stop what you're doing and come dance with me. Two step in the living room. We don't have all the control. So much pressure to keep up. It's clear that we just don't know, and it's alright. Don't wanna think anymore. Throw the numbers at the door. Just know this for on the floor for the whole night. Give me a groove like you used to. Put me in the mood like I used to. Stop what you're doing and come dance with me. So step in the living room. This is all that I need. This is all that I need. This is all that I need.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run. Big boobs one with a big ass butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me, ice on my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that post in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count in my sleep, on fleek. Man, I can't spin on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leave. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she Chris Jenner. I used to break in the hammer and take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip her. Double my cup or a triple. Spots on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average, just typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Back of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take off landing on Nebula. As an F when it ends on my schedule.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, jump in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they deal me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek. I know that these niggas get sick of me, they chasing my neck cause I'm bill a piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free, I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free, I pay a nigga to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even co-sign for me, I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag, they get the bag cause they cut it in half. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible talk, my dope got a vertical, look at it how. Skirt, and it jump out the pot, came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby, middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby, just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated, 2 bitches so fine that I masturbated. Congratulations, she bring me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it, I don't fuck with them niggas, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby, I rap but I own all my masters, baby. It's tragic, baby, I pull up and fuck up the traffic, baby. A savage, baby, I'm killing these niggas, close casket, baby. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, jump in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they deal me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
On in the booth, at the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys, that's Nike boys hopping our coast. This shit way too big, when we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at post. Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the crew. I just landed in, Chase B mixing pop like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish you was a no. Someone said,
we all in too deep. Play with keeps, don't play us for weak.
Someone said,
we all in too deep. Play with keeps, don't play us for weak.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made on records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her hop in, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slot the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a goose. Who put this shit together, I'm the glue. Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said, someone said, motherfucker, someone said,
Don't play us for weak.
Tried to get out my head, tried to declutter my space, feng shui, get out my own way.